Hello, welcome back again to my channel. Today I'm going to make kabocha squash red curry with string beans and baby bok choy. So this is all the ingredients. I have ginger, garlic, paprika, curry powder, fish sauce, chicken powder, cilantro, and coconut milk. And I have oil right there in the back. Anyway, this is the only squash that I eat. The other thing, I don't like it. I tried that butter thing. I don't like it. So this is the only squash that I can eat. Alright, let's get started. Alright, let's add 1 tablespoon of oil there. And let's add the garlic, the ginger, and let it brown, light brown. And now let's add the garlic. And now let's add the squash. Just cook it like 3 to 4 minutes. Just saute it for 3 to 4 minutes. And now let's add the coconut milk. You can add a little bit, like 1/4 water, 1/4 cup. If you're really like sticky for you, you can add 1/4 cup of water. Now let's add the fish sauce. Chicken powder, curry, and the paprika. Mix them and simmer it for like 3 to 4 minutes again. This is completely optional. My daughter wants a little bit spicy, so I add 1 tablespoon of chili paste, Kabocha, she likes spicy. Me, I like one, but not too much. Put your heat in a medium. Okay, let's continue simmering. Now let's add the string beans. And then let's cook it like 2 to 3 minutes. And we'll add the bok choy, baby bok choy. By the way, I add 1 cup of water because it's so sticky. And you adjust your salt. You can add more salt if it's not enough for you. Okay, you can check also your squash if it's cooked already. And also your string beans. This is good. So let's add the baby bok choy. Oh, I love green leaves. You will not see the moths if that ones get already cooked. Just cook the baby bok choy like 2 minutes. The sauce is gone. Alright, then turn off your heat. And this is ready to serve. You can garnish cilantro if you have some. You can garnish some cilantro, but this is optional. I just want to get rid of my cilantro. But that's also my favorite. All right. Alright everyone, here is my kabocha squash red curry with string beans and baby bok choy. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Okie dokie. See ya.